Welcome to the SAP ALM Summit North America 2025. We are delighted to announce the return of this premier event to North America. This summit brings together leading professionals, experts in application lifecycle management, and SAP enthusiasts from across the continent. Take the next step in your ALM journey with inspiring keynote presentations, expert sessions, and in-depth explorations of the latest trends and innovation in ALM. Engage in discussions with your peers and gain insights from industry pioneers who are defining the future of application lifecycle management. Discover how SAP Cloud ALM supports your Rise with SAP journey and understand the benefits of a clean core approach. This year's summit will emphasize the transition from SAP Solution Manager to SAP Cloud ALM. Learn how to move your application lifecycle management from on-premise to the cloud, unlocking new potentials and efficiencies for your enterprise. Participate in live interactions with SAP experts both on-site and virtually from SAP's headquarters in Walldorf, Germany. Receive personalized advice tailored to your specific business need and take advantage of our pre-conference learning offerings, designed to prepare you for the summit's key themes and topics. Join us at the SAP ALM Summit North America 2025 and ignite your ALM journey. We look forward to seeing you there.